So this question begins by providing us with this function, f of x equals a minus 19 over x plus 5. It goes on to say, in the given function f, a is a constant. The graph of function f in the xy plane, where y equals f of x, is translated 3 units down. So let's just make note of that. So we're going 3 down and 4 units to the right. So 4 to the right, to produce the graph of y equals g of x, which equation defines function g. So we know that g is the same as f, but with these transformations, basically. It'll be translated down 3 units and to the right 4 units. So here's what I know, and what I want to share with you, is a function, let's call it f of x, that is going to be translated. If I want to translate left or right, I have to attach, basically, the value that translates the function left or right directly to my x value. So what that looks like for here would be like an x, let's just call it plus or minus a. Okay. So this plus or minus a here, because it's directly attached to my x, right? It's added directly to x or subtracted directly from x. This positive a will give you a left shift, a units. A negative a would give you a right shift, a units. We have a right shift 4 units, which means I want to subtract 4 from my x value. I see that my x value is on the denominator here, so I'm just going to add this in a different color, and we can see exactly what our answer should be by introducing these additional numbers where they belong. So that's where my x, or my minus 4 should go, directly attached to the x. Next, I'll say plus or minus b on the outside of parentheses. So this value is not directly attached to the x. That's where I get a vertical shift. So for here, a positive b is going to shift up b units. So up, shift. And a negative b will shift down b units. We want to shift down 3 units. So I need to subtract 3 away from my x out here by itself. And I should have used red for that to show the difference as well. So let's just do that. So minus 3. When we simplify this new function, we have now g of x, because g of x is f of x after making these shifts. My a minus 19 is not changed at all. I now have an x minus 4 in the denominator, and 5 minus 3 is positive 2. So this becomes a plus 2. There's my answer, right? So let's just find the match to that answer. So choice A, super close, but it has x plus 4 down here, so that's out. Choice B looks like everything that I need, so therefore choice B must be the correct answer.